I'm in mini forest right now. It's a very nice area. It's very calm and peaceful area. So I'm right here in mini forest. Yeah, the weather is quite hot to be honest with you. 15 peso. 15 people. Okay. Yes, you bring. Just open here.
Thanks, baby. Are you alright, brother?
Just open from here. It's open. You see, open the bottle. Not for you, Harvey's family.
Mekos.
Hey, luang yan.
Hi, bro. Hi, bro. I come and pay you, okay? I'm here. Don't worry. Hello, Raida. No, Raida, wanna see Rehana? Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Grandmother Rayana.
Mashallah. Assalamualaikum.
Grandmother, Aunt Maya Rehana.
Assalamualaikum.
My cousin, my auntie.
Auntie, mashallah.
Give me one more time.
Huh?
Give me one more time.
Later. You ready yet?
Later.
No. Everyone have same. Look at your body skinny and you want 2 drinks?
No.
Hello, Siti. Let's go. Hello, Siti.